Hi everyone, this is Miss Ballinger, and this week I'm going to be doing a review of some things that we've learned this year. First, we're going to talk about context clues, then the moral of story, and main ideas. Oh, the clues that you can use to find the meaning of words, main idea, or the moral of a story. Context clues. When you use clues in a story to figure out the meaning of a new word, you are using context clues. Clues are in the same sentence as the new word and the sentences around it too. Clues can be found by thinking about how the word is used in the sentence. Clues can also be found by thinking about the main idea and details of a story. Use the clues. 5 types of context clues. Definition clues. The word's meaning is explained in the sentences. Example clues. An example of the word is given following the sentence or within the sentence. Inference clues. A word's definition is not explained. You need to look for clues before or after the sentences. Synonym clues. Other words are used in the sentence that have similar meanings. Antonym clues. The word is clarified by giving the opposite meaning, signaled by words whereas, unlike, as opposed to. Here's a story that I want to read to you and see if we can find out the moral of the story. Bananas in the tree. Monkey saw 8 bananas in the tree, but they were too high. His mom asked him if he could try to get them. She said his family would really like those bananas. Monkey was sure that he wouldn't be able to grab those bananas, but he could try. Monkey climbed up 4 branches and fell to the ground. He did not let this upset him. He didn't give up. He got right back up and started climbing again. This time, he made it to the top. So by looking at that story, what is the moral of the story? Number 1, never give up. If you don't give up, you'll always reach your goal. He made it to the top because he didn't give up. How do you know that is the moral of the story? I knew that it was the moral because he kept trying. Even though he fell down, he finally made it to the top because he didn't give up. What did the character learn about his own life? He learned that he could do whatever he set his mind to. At the beginning of the story, he said he didn't know if he would be able to do it. But he showed himself that he could. Main idea. Main idea. What is the story talking about? What's the topic? The main idea is what a text is mostly about. Look at the title and pictures. Sometimes the main idea is in the first and last sentence. Look for clue words repeated over and over. Find the main idea. The main idea is the most important idea in a paragraph. Sometimes the main idea is the first sentence. Sometimes the main idea is in the middle or at the end. Read the paragraphs carefully. Circle the main idea. Kittens need special care. You have to feed them. You have to feed kittens twice a day. They have a lot of energy. You need to play with them often. Kittens will chew on almost anything they find. You have to watch them closely. What is the main idea? Does this paragraph talk mainly about kittens chew on almost anything? No, I only see where it says it once. What about kittens need special care? Well, it says they need to be fed twice a day. You need to play with them often, and you need to watch them closely. So I think that it is going to be kittens need special care. Let's read the second paragraph. The puppy began to eat, but then he stopped. He yawned and stretched. He chased his tail. He rolled over and barked. He licked his paw. Finally, he went back to the dish and finished eating. So, the puppy likes to eat. It does say that in the very first, but it also tells us other things. The puppy takes a long time to eat. Okay, so he stopped, he yawned, he stretched, he chased his tail, he rolled over, he barked, he licked his paw, and then he went back to eating. So I think the puppy takes a long time to eat. So this is our presentation for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need anything from me, Miss Parker, or Miss Bibb, please don't hesitate to contact us. Remember, use your clues.